Do you want to earn money from home without investing any money upfront? Then online surveys may be the answer to your prayers. In this video, we'll be giving you a beginner's guide to passive income through online surveys, sharing popular survey platforms to get started, and giving you step-by-step instructions on how to sign up. Let's start with the basics. Online surveys are questionnaires that companies use to gather data from their consumers. They use this information to improve their products, services, and marketing strategies. These companies often partner with survey platforms like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Inbox Dollars, which act as a middleman between the company and the survey taker. So, how do you get started? First, you need to find reputable survey platforms that pay you for your time. These include the ones we mentioned earlier, as well as others like Vindale Research, Taluna, and Pinecone Research. To sign up for these platforms, simply visit their websites, fill out the registration form, and verify your email address. Once you've signed up, start taking surveys. The surveys vary in length and topic, but you can expect to earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per survey. And if you're lucky, you may even receive bonus rewards or referrals. To maximize your earnings, make sure to fill out your profile completely and be honest with your answers. This will help match you with surveys that are relevant to your interests and demographics. With a little patience and persistence, online surveys can be a great way to earn passive income from home. To learn more about passive income and other personal finance topics, be sure to subscribe to the FinWizard YouTube channel. So, what are you waiting for? Start signing up for survey platforms today and watch the money start rolling in. Please check YouTube video description for sign-up links to various survey platforms.